Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make quesadillas. That is Mexican or Tex-Mex style cheese tortillas. In this case the cheese is gonna be cheddar, one of my favorites, plus some other ingredients like chorizo. First, some preparations. The grating of the cheddar cheese. This must be enough. This is about 100 grams, a little bit more even. And then I'm gonna dice one medium-sized tomato. I'm using this chorizo from the Spanish brand Argo. I think it's one of the authentic stuff. So this is picante, that means hot. I'm using half of the chorizo, which is about 100 grams. I'm gonna try to slice this as thin as possible so I can use everything in a very practical way in the quesadilla tortilla. I just have to try one slice. Oh yeah. That is authentic chorizo. You taste the flavors of pimentón, that is a spiced paprika powder, and the garlic as well. It's time to build a quesadilla. So what I'm gonna do is put the chopped tomato on one side, together with some slices of chorizo, and of course, star of the dish, the cheddar. Although the cheddar and the chorizo are very much flavorsome, there's always some additional spices and herbs needed. So some cumin, coriander, and a little bit of oregano. Why not? Because this goes very well with tomatoes. And then I'm gonna fold this one. And then one more of these quesadillas. Gonna put a little bit of olive oil on these quesadillas. I'm gonna brush it evenly, and then they're gonna go straight into the pan on a low heat, 1.5 minutes per side. It's time to flip these guys. They do really look like pancakes. Looks like they're done. Gonna slice these into 3, each one of them. Then I'm gonna plate the quesadillas. Something like this. Oh yeah, you can smell cheese flavor, that cheddar, beautiful. Now that is good. Fresh tomatoes are great with cheese, any cheese, in this case cheddar. The chorizo. Smooth flavors. Everything wrapped up in a very simple tortilla. That is the quesadilla. That's what I mean. And by the way, put some green olives in there. Because green olives match very well with chorizo. Now the chorizo blends very well with the cumin spice. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.